completion of this chapter, the student should be able to recognize the importance of always following the COLREG, recognize the importance of keeping lookout by sight and hearing, understand that the radar must be used if installed, and understand the provisions of Rule 19, restricted visibility. The same rules for preventing collisions apply to all ships, and the use of radar is compulsory for assessment of close-quarter situations. An ARPA system with its large plotting capacity can give the navigator an excellent traffic overview, providing him with information which can be used for assessing the traffic situation. According to Rule 5, all vessels are responsible for maintaining a proper lookout at all times. Rule 5 applies to any condition of visibility. While the use of radar to assess a traffic situation is implied in their requirement to use all available means, that is still understood to be secondary to maintaining a lookout by sight and hearing. All ships above 1,600 gross tons are required to carry a radar. However, Rule 7 states that proper use shall be made of radar equipment if fitted and operational. In other words, if you have radar installed, you must use it. More importantly, remember that Rule 7 specifies that assumptions shall not be made on the basis of scanty information, especially scanty radar information. When navigating in restricted visibility, the ARPA radar is an irreplaceable piece of equipment. It can provide you with vital information about the other traffic, enabling you to assess the situation and decide if there is a risk of collision. The provisions prescribed in Rules 16 and 17, action by the give-way vessel and stand-on vessel, apply only when vessels are in sight of each other. When another ship is detected by radar alone, it is important to remember that they are not in sight of each other, and there is no give-way or stand-on vessel. The provisions of Rule 19 apply when navigating in or near an area of restricted visibility.